Joined just in time.
That bastard done slap me out the sky.
Hey, welcome to the party. You look like someone who needs a jetpack. There you go.
Should be lying, man.
We gotta stop Galactus from eating the 0 point. You are free, right?
Is this deadass a boss fight now?
Sure looks like
Bro,
it.
give me a fucking Stark rifle, bro. Oh god, I'm about to go crazy on this nigga.
Oh, he's getting right to it. Okay, energy readings are going berserk. By my calculations, if Galactus keeps absorbing the 0 point at that rate, we'll all be looking at a full reality collapse in... Doesn't matter. You know, the point is, we gotta move. You can drive a battle bus, right?
Damn, you're right.
Beginning transport? Now. And away we go.
Holy shit. That's a lot of fucking buses, dude.
Whoa!
That's a lot of
Whoa,
buses.
this is crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot of
Okay,
buses.
so I took the liberty of tinkering with your reality a bit. It's really no big deal. You can thank me later. I hacked your time thingy, made a few billion battle bus clones, and then turned them all into very powerful bombs. We need to get Galactus to eat as many buses as possible before he's done with the 0 point. If everything goes goes right, it'll open a portal and send him back where he came from. Hey, look, attack drones. Cute. You know, I was hoping we'd have an excuse to try out the battle bus's laser cannons. Give them a try.
Bruh.
Laser cannons?
I'm the captain now.
Yeah.
Oh, almost forgot. Your lasers won't do much to the big guy, but they should make short work of those drones.
Hey, let's go.
Look at that. You're a natural. Stay on target and don't explode.
Never like you anyway.
How's the handling on that thing? I didn't really get a chance to test it, so it might be a little, like a bus. Bus-like.
Oh fuck.
I admire that enthusiasm, but again, you're driving a bomb, so let's be careful out there.
Wait, whoa. Okay, so we're driving a bomb, right? But
Yeah,
we're in the
we're
fucking
driving
bus,
a
you know,
bomb.
like what
Shit.
like I hope
Yeah,
he's
we're
gonna get us out of here.
Nah, we all die.
I'm pretty sure I'll die.
He said he made a
It's
billion
Independence
clones.
Day and we're
So
flying
why
up
did
the
he need
ass.
us specifically to do it? Like if he made billions of clones, you know what I'm saying?
We need to get him off the 0 point now.
Not like the bus controls.
Okay, this is
Oh, I'm
And
stuck.
we can just jump out the bus probably. Up back in.
Hey, Blondie, got a bus over here that's getting a little hot.
Hey, it's over.
I shall divert your strange war wagon.
Strange war again.
Plain English, Ren Fair. Driver, we're taking you up his arm. Just keep flying north and try not to let it freak you out, okay?
Wow.
Bad news? Galactus? Definitely out to get you. Good news? I got the stereo working.
Nice.
What is this, Star Wars?
It's AC/DC.
Yeah, I know that, but like flying through the fucking canyon to destroy the Death Star.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's amazing to me that a company can do this.
Bro, this shit's
Even
dope.
I don't understand. What the fuck? Games has come a long fucking way, dude. This is nuts.
How destroys your guys' battle bus?
What?
Is your battle bus destroyed at all?
No.
Yeah, mine's a little fucked up.
Mine's quite fucked up.
Wow, I am picking up a lot of
Well, you better make it to the end or else.
shots. Think you could give us a hand?
Get me up there, Buff.
It's Wolverine!
Man,
Wow.
he was so useful.
Alright.
Joy is all yours.
He literally did one thing.
Looks like he's taking the bait. Let's get you out of there. If this works, it's return to sender for all of us. And if it doesn't work, well, we had some laughs, right?
Right.
Anyway, you did good.
Wait, I want to go back to Galactus's world. Don't make me leave.
Dang.
We kind of just did the Ant-Man inside a Thanos thing. Y'all realize that, right?
That's true.
No, this is not possible.
No way. There's no way we defeat him.
Right, that was it.
Fucking critical damage to his ass.
Thank you.
Oh, he went through a rift.
No. That rift's about to suck in the whole world.
Jonesy?
Fat fish. Oh wait, no. Okay, so that
Is this
symbol
a
was like a fish
connection?
head.
David was right.
No, this is from the device.
Yeah,
Oh.
remember you woke up as an office
Is
worker?
David even here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. I love how you knew everything. Wait. Was that it?
Yep, that was it.
Hold on, I'm gonna check someone else's stream. Like, is that it? No game?
No, there's no game.
There's no game?
There's never a game after a live event. It's just one big cutscene, basically.
That was still a cool cutscene though.
Is my internet offline or something?
Nah,
No,
so
it's good. Just hold on.
coming soon, Fortnite Season 5 starting in 7 hours, 39
I don't
minutes,
even
2
see
seconds.
that. Hold on, is my internet?
I see
I just see
connecting on a
connecting.
black
That's
screen.
what I see.
Yeah, so
Is Cypher PK stream still up for you, David?
he's still waiting.
I'm not fucking.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's just like okay,
Bro,
so
no game, no cap. This is crazy. See, I don't even have that screen. To be continued.
I just
yeah,
have connecting.
That's all I
I
have.
just have
yeah.
connection.
Do you want to exit Fortnite?
Dang,
Yep, that's it.
he's about to be live for 7+ hours. In season 5. Dang.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, there's
no event,
oh,
no nothing.
to be continued in season 5. Oh, so we can't do nothing now.
No.
I'm still connected. Oh, there we go. To be continued.
Damn.
Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Alright, well, GG's. I gotta go to work now.
Alright, GG's guys.
Alright, thanks.
I'll see.
Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the new season.